Finally! Left side closing. Time to get the BCD.
I've got a freighter that's late from, let's just say, 103. Give yourself a little guess. 33, yes, around half an hour. Don't know any maths, and you'd say like a billion to years. I don't know. Anyway.
And I see nothing.
From being half an hour late to being half an hour early, at least. And yes, that is possible.
There's a better view of the sign.
It's not a game, you don't do anything on that, it's not possible, of course it is.
And what I don't get is it's 45 and 50 on that line, and it's 70 on this line.
Exactly.
What?
So we're off. So we can run that, replacement floor. Anyway. And the Pocono is on around 50, being reached 40 miles an hour, let alone flipping 70. And I think I hit a freighter.
We have stopped a BT van. We have stopped a BT van and a Land Rover. And a motorbike.
Turn off.
Now I'm just over a minute and a half.
Yeah, same.
Should be coming any second.
Any year.
Any hour.
Any milliseconds. Millisecond, minisecond, call it what you like a second.
It's just a second.
It's a thing.
Yeah.
It's a shame.
Quote from Saxby, and it's a Freightliner, I think.
Yeah. Not even off by a Saxby, thank God.
Which is 66-5, I think.
How do you know?
Because that's what...
I'm not waiting
Wait,
there for that.
straight down doing in 67s. One of them.
What train is coming then?
A late freighter.
It's going to be big.
Right, I thought it was going to be steam train. Are they not today?
No. They're not certainly October. That. We should now be getting late freighters coming from Doddo ends. So you should
I can hear the tracks. They are literally...
Of course you can hear the bloody tracks.
Which way is it coming from?
There.
I can.
How do you know?
I do. Simple answer. At some point this year, a 66 will appear.
Sure.
Now the classic
Here it is.
3 minutes.
Oh, it's crying. Cold terrain.
56, 512!
My 100 is correct.
Well, that was a bit short for our British freights. They're normally like 36 anyways. There it goes. And that's the final exit part, that's it.